How to go live on YouTube with mobile without 1,000 subscribers. So let's start. So first off, all you have to open Google Chrome and then open youtube.com. Then click on three dots on right upper corner and then click on desktop site. After that you have to click on your channel logo and then long press on YouTube Studio and click on open new tab in group. After that your YouTube Studio is opened. So watch my subscribers. I have only 75 subscribers in my other channel and I have to go live on mobile, so how could I go live? So watch it carefully. You have to click on this icon. So whenever I try to go live, gets an error saying your browser doesn't support streaming. To get rid of this error, I have an idea. Before I revealed that idea, you have to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, share it on everywhere, so I will revealing that idea, so be quick. To get rid of this error, you have to click on right upper corner three dots and then click on desktop site. So simple, and then you will go to the streaming setup page. There have two options of stream. First option is for gaming, needs a software and need a PC, and second one is for live stream video with mobile phone. Important notice, you can use only front camera of your mobile because PCs has only one camera, which is webcam. Webcam is like PC's front camera. Give your stream info like live stream thumbnail and live stream name, etc. And click go live. So congratulations, you have done it. You are becomes live.